Suddenly life's full of big balloons. Look at me, I dress myself and not in something lame. That's the point when everyone learns to play a game.
But Father, what about when you're sad?
Whenever you are sad, cause you just cooked your shoes, just make a game and chew on it, and you will never lose.
You cooked your shoes?
Whenever there's a monster in the closet you should tame, then it's best you run and hide. That sounds like a game.
Games sound like a great way to pass the time.
You should try it.
Whenever you are lost and cannot find your way, if you have brought a pair of dice, find something you can play.
Ooh, that was good. If you break the furniture and have no one to blame, don't tell your wife, just run and hide and make her play the game. Whenever there's some fun, you need to make a game, and suddenly everyone is certain to exclaim. Look at us, we're having fun, I even know my name. That's the point when everyone learns to play a game.